Hello there. I am here today to show you how to create IVR on FIBERME FCM630A VoIP PBX. Let's have a look. First, you have to log into your PBX. And now, navigate to Call Features. And then select IVR. Here, you can see all existing IVR. To create a new IVR menu, please click on Add button. Now, start by write name for this IVR menu. And remember that you cannot use space. In the extension field, the PBX will add the IVR menu extension automatically. Here, you can mark Auto Record to record any calls received from this IVR. From this section, you can allow the caller to dial all extensions for users, meetings, call queues, ring groups, and more. By the default, any calls received from IVR menu can only dial user's extension. But you can change it based on your business needs. From here, you can enable whitelist users. In this case, only the users in the whitelist can be dialed from any caller through this IVR menu. Also, you can make a blacklist users, but in this case, the caller can dial all users' extensions, except the users in the blacklist. The default option is Disable. If you select Replace Display Name, the PBX will replace the caller ID and replace it with IVR menu name. And if you select Return to IVR menu, the call will be returned back to IVR menu, if the call to an extension fails. In the prompt field, you can upload the audio file. This audio will be played to any caller in this IVR menu. The audio file must include the menu selections. Example: thank you for your call. For sales, press 1. For customer services, press 2. What is the digit timeout? The digit timeout is the second after the user enters a digit. The user needs to enter the next digit within the timeout. If no digit is detected within the timeout, the PBX will consider the entries complete. The default timeout is 3 seconds. So, what is the response timeout? It is the timeout occurs when no DTMF entry is detected for the configured number of seconds after the IVR finishes playing the prompts. The response timeout prompt is the prompt to be played when response timeout occurs. And the invalid input prompt is the prompt to be played when an invalid extension is entered. From response timeout prompt repeats, you can select the number of times to repeat the prompt. After the final repeat, calls will be redirected to the timeout destination, if configured, or dropped. And the invalid input prompt repeats is the number of times to repeat the prompt. After the final repeat, calls will be redirected to the invalid destination, if configured, or dropped. For now, let's scroll up and go to Key Pressing Events tab. In this tab, we must select the destination for any pressed key mentioned in your audio file. In our case, we have only 2 selections, 1 for sales, and 2 for customer services. Let's do it. Press 1 drop-down menu, and select the destination. And repeat it again with press 2 drop-down menu. Now, the IVR menu has been configured. Just click on Save button. Menu has been saved, and you can edit it anytime by pressing on Edit icon. Later, I will show you more features and how to configure it. To follow us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow our Facebook and LinkedIn pages. Also, you can visit our website, www.fiberme.com. Thank you, and see you later. Goodbye.